This layered black bean, cheese, and tortilla casserole is quick and easy to throw together, but it packs big flavor. It's ideal for busy nights, but you may just find yourself craving its comforting goodness even when you've got time to spare for leisurely meal prep. Ingredients: 1 15-ounce can of black beans, drained and rinsed. 1 15-ounce can of chopped tomatoes. 1 15-ounce can of corn, drained. 12 corn tortillas, soft. 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. Optional toppings: guacamole for garnish, sour cream for garnish. How to assemble the casserole. Gather the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Oil a 9 by 13-inch casserole dish and set aside. In a mixing bowl, combine the beans, tomatoes, and corn. Cover the bottom of the baking dish with 4 tortillas, overlapping or trimming to fit if necessary. Don't worry if the tortillas don't cover the entire dish. Top with half of the tomato corn bean mixture, smoothing the top with a spatula. Arrange 4 more tortillas over the bean mixture. Top with the rest of the beans, tomatoes, and corn. Top the casserole with the rest of the tortillas. Sprinkle evenly with the cheese. Bake covered with foil for 20 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for 10 to 15 minutes more, or until golden and bubbly. Remove from the oven and allow the casserole to rest for 5 minutes before serving. Serve with guacamole, salsa, and/or sour cream if desired. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and comment.